Hey guys, welcome to the ninth video in this tutorial series on version control. So in the previous video, I showed you how you can make a commit. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can view the logs of your commits and how you can revert a commit or undo your previous actions. So to view the logs or to view the history of your commits, you just use the command git log. So git log returns the log of all your commits, and as you can see, since we have only one commit, it shows us the commit. Now, as you can see, head is pointed at master. So this master indicates the branch we're at, as you might have noticed when we use the command git status. Now, this right here is a commit ID. The author is set according to the global configuration as we had set it up, and this date is automatically logged by git. So let's just make another commit with a test file, say test.txt, and let's save this file and make a quick commit. So now that we're done with the commit, let's check if our working tree is green, and yes, it is green. Now let's just have a quick look at the logs. I'm sorry. Yeah. So now you can see the head has been shifted to the latest commit, adding test file. However, let's say you would like to not have your head point at that. Rather, you would like to undo this change and get your head back to the previous commit. So we have a command for that called git revert. Now, revert basically undoes your previous action or nullifies your previous actions. So if you just want to go one step backwards, you just use git revert head. So this tells, hey git, I want to revert my head from the current position to one position below it. And you can see git gives you an automatic commit message, revert adding test file, this reverts commit this, thus giving you a clear understanding of what's happening. I'm going to choose to save it like this, and we're done. So you can see that the test.txt file got deleted from my working directory. However, you need not worry because you can revert over this action of reverting the commit, and thus you can get back the file. I'm going to leave it as a small exercise for you. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Do like and subscribe.